Hi everyone, it's Greg from Defoo. As Cybersecurity Awareness Month comes to an end, today's video will recap the main points we covered over the last 30 days. These takeaways will help ensure your business stays protected year round. First, we covered basic cybersecurity practices like password security, software updates, and identifying phishing scams. These foundational steps are simple but highly effective in preventing cyber incidents. Encourage your team to use strong, unique passwords, enable multi-factor authentication, and stay vigilant for phishing attempts. We also explored advanced security practices like network segmentation, data backup, and the zero trust model. These measures help protect your systems and data even if an attacker bypasses your first line of defense. Remember to regularly back up data and review access controls to prevent unauthorized access. One of our key focuses was on employee training and creating a cybersecurity culture. Cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility, and fostering a security-conscious environment helps keep your business safe. Provide regular training, promote a proactive approach to reporting threats, and recognise employees who demonstrate good security practices. We discussed the importance of security audits and risk assessments, regularly assessing vulnerabilities, testing your defences, and reviewing your cybersecurity policies ensures that you're always prepared for new threats. Make audits and assessments a routine part of your cybersecurity strategy. Lastly, we emphasise the value of certifications and partnerships like Cyber Essentials accreditation and working with an NCSC assured service provider. These certifications not only strengthen your defences, but also build trust with clients and partners. Cybersecurity is a continuous journey, not a one-time event. Implementing these practices year-round will help you stay resilient against cyber threats. Tomorrow, we'll wrap up Cybersecurity Awareness Month by looking at actionable next steps for enhancing your cybersecurity. Thanks for watching and stay secure.